Hey friends, I want to show you this stand that I got from Amazon. Actually, the brand sent it to me and asked me to do a review, and I really appreciate it because now I can have all my favorite cutting boards up here on the counter where I can get to them easily. And in fact, they bring back great memories because my son made these. So I like having them up here where I can see them and enjoy them, and not have them tucked away into a cabinet getting dirty and not being used. I love that they come with these little plastic feet, so they're not going to slide around. So I really like this stand. It makes it super easy to hold my cutting boards up right here. You could use it for many different things. You could put it in a cabinet to hold plates or to hold cookie sheets or small baking pans, whatever you need it for. I really like this stand and I appreciate the brand for sending it to me. If you found this video helpful, please click that thumbs up below and follow my shop for other great Amazon finds.